Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to play, going to do top 10 best games of 2017. Sorry for not uploading, in 2018, so in a week around that. I think I'm just going to record on Mondays. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the number 10 is going to be Vehicle Simulator. I've never been a so big fan of Vehicle Simulator, so that's why I'm going to set it at number 10. If I just come into it. There guys, I'm in. So, I'm just going to play a little bit. I've actually played this game quite much. So yeah. I'm just going to do one race. I know I'm going to win. Now I just have to wait. Waiting for one more player. There, no. Get in. There. No. There. One. There. I know I'm going to win though. See? Much faster. Now let's see how much faster I was. Exactly. Let's see, I was first with 7 seconds and the other guy was at 12 seconds. And now, let's just go to number 9. There, and then we got, I haven't actually planned this so much, but I have a little bit idea. If you don't like none of these games, this is probably not for you. And I joined Roblox in summer of 2017. I have had a Roblox account since 2016, but I forgot the password and I forgot the name of the thing. And yeah, the theme park too. I actually love this game, but yeah. So yeah, I've actually played this for quite a long time, as you can see, if it just will load. This is much more than just that you can see now. I actually have music in my park. That is my favorite ride I made yesterday. See? And me and my friends the game of Roblox. Or he said it. I don't really believe him, but I'm just going to stand here. But if you join our group, link in the description, and this music is really yeah. Oh. If you buy the shirt in if you buy the shirts in the group I made, I can make more, maybe better even. But he said, or I know who, but of course I know who has bought the shirts. So if you bought the shirts, we can give it to the game of Roblox and me, that we can make a good tycoon thing park for you. But I just need to re-log in. See you later. So yeah guys, let's try my favorite ride I made 2 days ago, I think. Yeah, 2 days ago. One of my favorite songs are now playing on the thing. This one. So yeah. It's a bridge here. If you want to go on it. Where is it? Is it closed? No, there. I'm not going to spoil it for you guys. But just, it's cool. I can swear that. Ah, it's right here. I'm going there and F. Going up. Further up, further up, further up. So I don't know if you can hear the music that is coming out of my PC. When I start recording, it said that it won't, but I don't really believe it. And that's the ride. So let's go to number 3. So guys, number 3 is going to be Phantom Forces. I actually love this game. I'm at rank 26. And yeah, so let's just wait till I'm in the game. So yeah guys, as you can see, I'm ranked 26. I have 2,000 kills, 2,600 deaths, total XP 300,000, and this is a new map. I don't know if I've played it before. Oh, this is not a new map. It's a bit laggy because the graphics are really good in this game. I don't know how they made it. It's a bit laggy. It's been spotted. Oh, he's dead. I'm not that good at this game, but as you can see, I died straight away, right after I got my kill. Wrong button. I'm going to use this one, because now I know where the enemies are. Assist and enemy kills. I actually want this game to be number 1, but it can't because it is popular enough. And it's super laggy up here, so I'm just... It froze! There. I froze again! There, and I jumped down and ran to get one more kill. If I get one more kill, I'm going to leave this game. There. I can just get a double kill actually. If I find another one on this hill, as I didn't. Not a person, but I'm going to leave. So, I see you in the next. So I can't really do a lot. I have to make the video a bit short. 15 minutes. I only have 4 more minutes. No, 3 more minutes. So yeah, let's go to number 2. So number 2 is going to be Pokemon Brick Bronze. It's actually still in beta. It was actually still in beta when I got Roblox. This was actually the first Roblox game I played. Cause of I have played it before, of course, but this was the first Roblox game I played on the PC. I'm now playing on the PC, as you can see, because you can probably see my mouse. So let's just get right into it. So yeah, guys, I'm in here. I'm actually not at the gym 1. Or right now, I'm at the gym 1. As you can see, but I'm actually at gym L8. I'm going to fly to gym 8. If I remember where it is, it's here, but I'm going to go to Deca. And just show you something. A Pokemon. If I'm lucky enough to catch one. Cosmos Valley. I haven't played this in a super long time. I actually don't remember where things are. There's a patch of grass, but I think it's too far away. So yeah, this was number 2. So guys, number 1 is of course Jailbreak. So, but I think I said top 10 and I actually meant top 5. Sorry for that. But sure, let's go right into number 1. Hey guys, this game won't actually load. I've tried. I've waited here a very long time just standing here. That will load, but it just won't load, so I'm sorry for that. I think you guys know what Jailbreak is. I hope so. If you don't know what it is, it's the top most popular game in Roblox.